Up and down the Clackateer's way.
Well, I went downtown walking on the pavement, talking to a bum about over.
Okay, we are driving along and we're leaving Saguenash Village to go to Sears, and you can see the village and all the places. You can see the little screen in our car which has nothing on it, where Joe could actually show the weather. Well, he's going to put in garage weather, but it's good. No, he hasn't figured out all the buttons yet. He'll get there.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know how to zoom this in, so what you see is what you get.
Camera we forgot how to use.
Yeah,
And the car we don't know how to use yet.
Right. In really great shape here.
The part that was all flat. Whoa! What is this?
Oh, you have a guy
Go for
coming out on a motorcycle.
a bike or a
Yep. Okay.